this is the most important part that you would really need to apply when we are doing some physics questions. So there are basically three rules are there. Okay, the first one is log of a b, which means log of the product of any two numbers is log a plus log b. Now I would like to mention one thing is that sometimes in your physics papers, I might have mentioned it already, instead of log you might also see lg. So that is the same as log to the base 10. Then the second rule, log of a divided by b is equal to log a minus log b. And the last one that you need is log of a raised to n is n log a. So these are the three rules that you need. So the log of the product of two quantities, log a times b, is equal to log a plus log b. Then log of a divided by b is equal to log a minus log b. Then log of a quantity raised to a constant, n is a constant, mainly a number. Then that is n log a. And some another tip that you might find it useful sometimes is log of 10 is 1 and log of 1 is 0. Now for this one you can always use your calculator and find that out, that's fine, but these three rules are the ones that is important. So I'm going to just show you one example each for all the three laws. So you know that in current electricity you have studied that charge is equal to current times time. Agreed? So if I'm taking the log of this, log Q is log of I times T. So if I apply the first rule here, that makes it log I plus log T. Okay? Then speed is equal to distance divided by time. So log of speed is equal to log of distance divided by time, which is log of distance minus log of time. And the third one is log a raised to n is n log a. We know that the equation for area of a circle is pi r square. Agreed? So let's take the log of that. Log a is equal to log of pi r square. So log pi r square comes in with our first equation, product of two quantities. Product of two quantities. So we have to apply the first rule here, which takes it to log pi plus log r square. Now log pi is going to be a constant, so we can either leave it as log pi, or if you want you can say that as a constant, a c. Log r square. Log r square is in the same format as log a raised to n. So that becomes n log a, which is 2 log r. Okay, so this is how common logarithms work. So these three rules are the most important ones from the physics point of view. Other than that, as I said before, all you need to use is use the log button in your calculator, the 10 raised to x button on top of that, using your shift button on your calculator, and find the values. But these equations are the ones that you would need the most whenever we are going to use logs. So that is what you need to know generally about common logs. And now, in the last video about logs, we are moving on to the natural log.